What is up, everyone? I'm back. This is going to be my fourth video. Today we're going to be playing 2K, and from the looks of it, we are going to be playing the Oklahoma City Thunder. And we are in the year 2010 right now, where I'm going to try to get the Oklahoma City Thunder, the famous, whatever, Kevin Durant and Russell Westbrook duo a ring. While James Harden too. And so we're gonna be doing some trades. We're gonna do some like crazy. I will do everything in my power to give this duo a ring. So first of all, let's get started. Let's go to Trade Finder. Serge Ibaka. He's good, but not as good as most centers. We can get Joakim Noah. Ooh. I have my eyes on Joakim Noah and DeAndre Jordan. We can also get a pick, a 2012 first round pick. It's a top 3 protected. And coming from the 2012 first round pick, Anthony Davis is going to be in that. And we can also get a 2013 first round pick, top 3 protected. Brook Lopez, Nuggets, top 3 protected, 2012. So like Danny Granger, Steve Nash, the old one. I feel like I might take Joakim Noah, because Joakim Noah, he has some good like defense and spacing for the floor. He is older. He will do like a better impact on our team, from what I know. I'm either going to do Joakim Noah or this pick with Beno Udra with the 2012 first round pick. But let's do with Joakim Noah. 4-star, 4-star. And we also get a first round Chicago lottery protected pick for 2012. We now have Joakim Noah to the mix. I'm going to keep James Harden, because he's usually good in these rebuilds or builds when he like over time. So let's get rid of Jeff Green. Okay. Yeah, 14 first round pick. Ooh, Andrew Bogut. Jameer Nelson. Bro, he's okay. I might be thinking of 16. Because we do need some picks. We can also get Steve Nash, but it's an old one. Old man. Yeah, I'm getting this pick. The top 3 protected pick for the Denver Nuggets. Here, let's trade both of these people. Nenad Kuršić. Kyle Corvair. Oh my lord. Grant Hill, but he's old. Let's get Kyle and Taj Gibson. Like, this is not a bad, like, let's do it. We now have Kyle Corvair, Taj Gibson. Al Harrington, you're out of here, bro. You're out, bro. First round pick. I'm gonna try to stack up on picks. Oh yeah, by the way, our goal is to get at least 4 or 5 rings for this duo. Boris Shaw. Or for the Thunder at least. Okay, I'm gonna give his pick, the 14 first round pick with Jim Edwards. He kinda sucks, but he's still like young. So we'll have a young player. Actually, let's go all the way down. These people at the bottom, we're gonna like try to trade them for picks like these. But 11-second round pick. Okay, hold up. Let's just get rid of him. James. Alright, let's get this. Okay. Yeah, that's the same person, bro. Lottery protected 13th first round pick. Let's get it. We're going like, yeah, down the line. Al Harrington, Daniel Gibson. It's not bad. What if I throw a pick in here? What if I throw a first round unprotected? Ben Gordon. Okay. Never mind. So, for right now, this team is pretty decent. I'm gonna try to, like, get... Cause it's a 2011, like, draft, bro. Let's be real. If you don't know who's in the 2011 draft, I'll show you in a minute. Chuck Haynes. Leandro Barbosa. He's not bad. I might, yeah. Lewis Thompson, Reggie Williams. Okay. I'm gonna get this. The one with Leandro Barbosa. Even though it does cost us a protected lottery pick, we'll get it. And to see who is on the board for the 2011 draft, we got Isaiah Thomas, Kawhi Leonard, Kyrie Irving, Kemba Walker, Klay Thompson, Jimmy Butler, Fucci Man, and those are like important ones. And since we already have a good point guard and small forward, I can probably try to get Kawhi, put him at the 2, or I can get Klay Thompson since he's already a good shooter. Or for a center, I can get Hoochie Man. Or I can get Jimmy too. So, yeah. Right now, keep trading. Cole, James. Where's Dahl? I'll take this. Daniel Gibson. Okay. No, I can't trade Dahl. Timothy Moscow. We do need like a decent center. Ooh, nope, never mind. Take him out immediately. Okay. So since we have this roster, KD, Russ, Joakim, and James as our like big 4. I'm gonna put KD, Russ, Joakim, and Harden in untouchables for right now. And let's get the season started. Wait, hold up. Before I do anything. Okay. Those are the only ones I'm worried about. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to either get Klay or Kawhi. Because if I get either one of them, Klay's already a shooting guard. And since we already have a good point guard, center, and small forward, I'm going to try to get like Klay for right now. To like, he's gonna be above James Harden when like in a year or two, because James is still like getting better and stuff. And then after that, when James is like in his prime, yeah, we finna have like a monstrous like team. We're doing good. We're 26-6 now. I wasn't like, I'm sorry, I'm saying like so much. I can't stop it. But 30-6, 31-6. Okay, still going. 34-6. Okay, what is this? Where's the call? I don't. No, I'm not getting that. Because Kyle's a good shooter. He's underrated. What? They get a pick. Top 3 protected first round pick. I'm not getting that. Oh my lord, we blew it. Oh my lord, we blew the Hornets out. 147 through 79. KD dropped 35, Russ 28, James 16. Joke. Ooh. We got 2 people that got a double-double. 3 actually. Russ almost got a triple-double, like always. He's called Mr. Triple-Double for a reason. But let's keep simulating. Yeah, my goal is to get OKC 4 rings. This might be a 40, 30 minute long video, I don't know. But, yeah, let's just go. I turned the music off because it might give me like copyright. So, it's kind of like silent right now. But what I'm thinking, we're making a, like, we're going to a play-in or playoffs, whatever. I know that. Because we're like first seed. Are we? Yeah, we're first seed. We're just chilling at first seed. We almost broke a 73-9 record. We only missed 5. 6. Come on. Let's get 65 at least. Yeah, we almost broke a 73-9 record. We were only off by 7. Well, basically, we almost have a better record. LeBron's your MVP. 30, 7.5 rebounds, 7.5 assists, 2.1 steals, 1.5 blocks. And, yeah. DeMarcus Cousins, Rookie of the Year. That's surprising. Ganobi, 6 Man of the Year. LeBron, DPOY. Serge Ibaka, Most Improved Player. I shouldn't have traded him, though. Think about it. Scott Brooks, Coach of the Year. That's us. Walt Watkins, Executive of the Year. Why does he look like that? He looks like a cart titan. Russ made first team. Damn, Katie's not on here. How did Rajon Rondo make it? Russ, yeah. So Katie didn't make it. We got Golden State. Russ is better than Curry for right now. They have a better shooting guard. We have a better small forward. They have a better power forward, and we got a better center. So we should win this. They have a young Curry. Okay, we swept them. Now we're going against the San Antonio Spurs. Russ is better than Tony for right now. James better than Garrett Temple. KD better than Richard Jefferson. Whatever you say his name. But only one. There's only 2 people. So this should be easy. 1-1, 2-1, up 3-1. Yes. All right, now we got Denver. Who's on Denver? All right, Russ is better. They're both tied. KD's better for right now. Nini's better, and Joakim's better. Okay. This might be a little bit tougher because I got a decent team. Okay, we're down 3-1. Simulate this. Okay, we won. Now we gotta simcast the game. Alright, just click cancel. No. Alright, let's jump in. I'm gonna actually play these because to get 4 rings, I'm gonna have to physically play these, even though no matter how long it takes. So, I'm gonna be playing these, and let's go. Bro, shout out to Danny 2K, bro. I love him, dude. Every time after school, he just always posts, bro. He has like a whole alarm, like when a trade happens. I swear. Because like 2 minutes after the Anthony Davis trade, where he got traded to the Wizards, I think, Like, Danny immediately, like, posted a video, bro. That was crazy.
Just about 1.5 minutes gone by here in the fourth. Westbrook and the dunk by Westbrook.
And you see how eager Westbrook is to make a splash.
I need to turn the crowd down, bro. This is kind of loud. Camera shake, turn that off. Arena strobe flashes, turn that off. Commentary, put that down to 50. Sound effects, 80. Crowd, bro, turn the crowd like to 25.
On offense, attacking over and over again.
Russ is not really known for threes, but he will make it.
Nene with the screen on KD. They get the rebound.
That's a shot he's got to hit. You don't get many looks better than that rate.
Good, and a nice assist from Noah. Noah's got 3 assists now in this one.
And off the chart potential for Kevin Durant, especially if he can hit that consistent.
Now here's Phillips. Nene outside. That's a 2 from Smith.
Oh yeah,
The
good.
Nuggets with another miss.
Not his night shooting the ball, and it's really had an impact on this game.
Finishing
That's
it
too
off.
easy. That's too easy.
Saw that sliver of
Don't leave that
daylight
boy alone.
and took advantage.
The Nuggets trail by 5. Nene outside. Nene with the screen on Durant. Smith kicks to Nene. Lawson surveying the D. And that one.
Oh man, okay.
That big build.
Wait, what is Russ's three-pointer? I need to see. 78. Okay, that's not bad, but it's bad. 99 midi. Oh my lord. I'm into threes, honestly. Kyle, of course, 90. So KD's are like KD and Kyle. KD, Kyle, and James are really
Is
good.
to work at finding
Russ just attacking.
Westbrook against Lawson. Harden has a wide open look. And the Thunder another 3.
3 points.
Oh, great ball movement there.
Nice.
Denver's gone.
When we like,
outside.
we're not like,
50% mark. Shooting
no
the
way.
3 ball well.
if I did,
Setting the pick for Billups.
whole thing would take an hour.
We've played just over 3.5 minutes now in the fourth quarter. Can't connect from 13 feet out, and Westbrook throws it down.
Russ,
I tell you
Russ,
what, one
bro.
of the things I love about Westbrook is the ferocity with which he attacks the rack. He's driving inside. He's trying to punish the defender and the basket.
Now, here is Lawson. Smith,
Why,
wide
Jerry?
open, he fires. His 3-pointer's off the mark.
You know what? He's just stone cold right now. Really not sure if he's the best option offensively as they try to get back in this game.
Ooh, did you hear
Those
that?
are starting to add up, guys. Of their last 5 baskets, 3 have been triple.
And so George Karl decides to call a timeout. Coach needs a moment to talk things over.
You can see the coach very displeased with their defensive effort on the glass. They're giving up a bunch of second chance points. They got to get that corrected.
All right, everyone. Make some noise for your one and only.
Alright, we're good for it. This is so loud, I can't even hear myself talk. This is actually so loud.
He's checked in. And let's head over to the sideline and catch up with David Aldridge.
Hey, Kevin. Well, George Karl just going over the game plan with his team. Now, Coach challenged him. He said, this goes beyond this game. Show me how much heart you have for the season. Fight until the final buzzer. Guys, back to you.
Thanks, David. Now,
So what are they
here's
talking about
Anthony.
Moses?
4 on the clock. Anderson's shot is off.
Nice.
He converts those at a high rate. Not that time.
Harden. Oh,
I'm surprised I made that. Okay, let's him cast it. Okay, we won. Alright, so here, who had it? Russ wasn't on it today. Well, he's rebounding, wasn't. But other than that, yeah, it's game 7. Come on, we need to win this. It's going back and forth. It's like neck and neck right now. Never mind, we're blowing. Yeah, we just blown them out. Alright, so now we get the Bulls. This team, I'm kind of worried about because Serge got most improved player. Derrick Rose is just a beast in the sim. Other than that, D Rose is better than Russ, but James, KD, and Joakim are better. Okay. We take game 1, take game 2, take game 3. They take game 4. Simcast this. Okay. Simcast again. Connect. OT, okay. Like, when you do OT, oh lord, hold up. Oh no. They went into overtime. Okay. I got injuries turned off and the player fatigue all the way down to 0 because you can't really do anything.
Harden fires.
Oh lord.
The long
That was so
shot,
bad.
no good.
I forgot how fast.
And so it's Dan bringing it up for Chicago.
Look at D-Rose.
Ibaka in the post, defended by Durant. 5 to shoot. No
Jump
good
shot is
there.
that.
Under trailing by 6. With the screen on Rose. Outside Durant.
Help me, Katie. Help me, Katie. Help me, Katie.
From Durant.
For Kevin Durant. If he can hit that
Rose surveying the D. For 3. Down he goes for 3.
He's been terrific offensively. You can bet they'll feed him down the stretch, that's for sure.
Here's Durant from outside. Durant popping from 3.
I'm just
No
gonna have to pass to
stage too
Katie.
big for KD.
If we don't
If you
like
need a
start
basket,
milking her through,
he's your man.
Westbrook against Rose.
Come on.
Ibaka outside.
Rose.
From 17 feet away. Durant with the rebound.
You're not going to see that very often. Plenty of space, but he just...
Oh my lord, Katie! Oh my lord!
Just slicing to that look. Durant there, decisive and able to get where he wants to.
From 12 feet. No good. Oklahoma City's gone 2 for 3 from beyond the arc to begin overtime. The 3 goes.
And such a flush shooter. I mean, he lives for the big shot. And when he's rolling like this, watch out.
Westbrook against Rose. Launches it. Harden pulls it down. Here's Oklahoma.
I'm sorry, but why are you letting D-Rose shoot, bro? He's not good at 3-pointers. Yeah, like... Let one of these people shoot, bro. You're letting, like, a guy... You're letting someone, like... with a low 3-pointer. Well, it's not low, but it's not, like...
They're on an 11-point ball. Westbrook.
Oh, yeah, Russ. I don't know how I made
No
that.
surprise
Slightly.
there. I mean, this is who Westbrook is. This is what Westbrook does. Ready to step up. In
Get
the
out.
biggest moment. The defense made an impact. They got him uncomfortable going up with him.
Here's Harden. Now Westbrook. Noah with a screen for Westbrook. Driving inside. And it's blocked by Ibaka.
That's our ball.
To the basket.
That's our
He's
ball.
around. I mean, he had no problem. That was an easy denial for him.
Westbrook. Clean from outside.
Okay. We won. Let's go. Alright, that's our first chip. We need 4 chips. We got 1 out of 4 right now, bro. Let's go. And the draft is coming now, so. Russ is your MVP. 21. 6 rebounds. And 8 assists. 2.8 steals. And then, yeah, block. It was just kinda... Yo, Russ had 60 free 3-pointer, bro. And he doesn't even shoot that much. Okay. Ben Wallace retired. Okay. Let's go. Alright, who's gonna get it? Suns? Where are we at? We're at the last pick. Okay. Staff signing. I don't need anyone. NBA draft, no. Actually, yeah. Let's do a pre-draft workouts. Because it sees, like, how good these people are going to be. What you mean? How is Isaiah? So Isaiah is getting the first pick. Kawhi? What? Hold up. Okay. I'm going to try to get Klay Thompson. It might be hard. Who got it? Isn't Klay on the Bobcats? Shit. Klay Thompson. 77. No. Not doing that. Boris. Okay. Andrew. Bro, I don't know who to... No, bro. You're not getting KD. Bro, I keep doing it on accident. Bro, no. Hold up. I will do everything in my power to try to get... Okay, I'm not doing that. I swear if I do that one more time. Okay, so we can't get... They just won't accept it. Okay. I want Kyrie. Try to get Kyrie. Who's? You tell me. Bro, you telling me Kyrie was 7? Where's Kyrie? Hold up. Kyrie was 10? Are we stupid? Yo, Kyrie's supposed to be the first. So, no. Where's he at? Hold up. We're gonna try to get Kyrie. I don't know what team he got. Hold up. Kyrie's on the Jazz. Okay, never mind. He's 7, but still, that's stupid. Okay. 7. Bro, I keep messing this up. Kyrie on the Jazz. So that means we're gonna go to the Jazz and try to get him. I don't know. I'm talking like XQC right now. Yapping up. Bro. Oh my lord. We got Kyrie. We got Kyrie. I repeat, we got Kyrie. We have Kyrie, I'm pretty sure. Did we? Yeah, we got him. Kyrie Irving. Yes. Who's on free agency? Melo. Al Horford. Who's trying to get him? Bro, he wants to go to Pacers. Tony Parker. Let's get Joe Team back. Marc Gasol. I'm gonna try to get Marc Gasol. Okay. Player progression. Alright, KD went up 2, Russ went up 1. Good shit, KD. Harden went up 7. Holy crap, dude. Kyrie. Kyle went up 2, okay. I'm gonna get some picks. Don't matter. Oh my lord, yes. I'm taking that. Lottery protect. Okay, I'll take this Cavs lottery protected. Top 3 protected, yep, taking that in a heartbeat. Okay. So, I can't trade that guy. I don't know why it won't let me. I guess he has like a no trade clause. So, let's go. He's 2012 draft class. I'm gonna try to get AD. I doubt I will. Okay, I'm not. Wait, who can I get for Kyrie? First of all, I'm not gonna trade him, but Gerald Wallace, Rudy Gay, Chris Bosh, top 3. Oh my lord! I'm still not trading him. They don't. Alright, so December 25th is when I can trade him. Yeah, okay. So, Untouchables, Kyrie. Let's go. Okay. So let's try to do some trades now. I was being completely silent there because I was watching TikTok. I wasn't really doing anything. Okay. Our best bet to get four rings, we either get good people or we just like stack up on like, yeah. I'm trading everyone. Not stack up on trading everyone. That's kind of stupid. Cause then I'll just trade everyone. I'm gonna do this. Anthony Parker. Okay. They'll just do site ran off now. Okay. I'm gonna take this Eddie House 2nd round pick for us. Everyone went up like a decent amount. Dwayne Griffin. He's a champ in 2008. He's a center. Hold up. Go to Joakim. No, that's James. Who wants Joakim? Like he was doing decent, but bro, we can get Yao Ming. He's old. He's old though. Like old. I can get Brandon Roy. Where's he at? I might get Brandon Roy. I don't know. What if I throw a lottery protected and a top free protected pick in there? What are y'all gonna do? Are y'all like gonna freak out and give me like a best people ever? Do it. David West. More. Marcus Aldridge. I saw LaMarcus. Hold on. I'm gonna try to do a trade. Where's Kawhi at? Hold up. No, bro. Listen, but he's on the Pistons. Okay. All I need to know is get Kawhi. I'll try to do it. That's James. Joakim. Top free. Lottery. Or I could do this, but no. I want Kawhi so bad, but we can't even get him. What about Curry? Can I try to get Curry? I doubt it. If they let me get Curry, I might be surprised. Okay. Hold up. Please. I'll do anything. Give me T-Mac, bro. Please. Please. Oh, I hate you. What do you mean fish trade is illegal, bro? Get better. Please, bro. I'm begging, begging you. I'm fine with this. Low key, yeah, I'm fine. Yes. I'm just gonna trade K Park. Cause, bro. Okay, it won't let me. Okay, Daniel Gibson. Okay. I'm just trying to get good people, honestly. Okay. Alright. So we have a pretty solid team for right now. I don't know what to say. I do kind of want Timothy. Lottery protected, yes, take out. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna try to do something real quick. Figure out the rosters. Keep KD there. James, you play that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad. Ow, I just cracked my thing. Alright, let's go. Okay, decline. Decline, bro. I'm not. Bro, decline, bro. Quit. Bro, yo. Bro, how many times are y'all gonna trade? Like, try to trade me, bro. Or trade. Yo, that was a ridiculous amount of times they tried to trade you. Okay, so I can't trade anyone, so let's just keep going. Keep on pushing. Stop pushing. Bro, you're not. Alright. Okay, what seed are we? We're second seed. That's crazy. Okay, we went 62 and 20. LeBron's your MVP. 27, 7, and 8. And then 2 steals, 1 block. Isaiah's your rookie. Gordon. Serge's DPOY. I shouldn't have traded him. Now to think about it. We got a 62 of the year, at least. Okay. KD's on second. Russ is on third. Kyrie's on first. Yeah. Okay. Who are we going against? We're going against Phoenix. 2 of their people got a award, so we might be good. Okay. Never mind. I don't think we should be. Because everyone on our team is better except for center, which they both maxed out or tied. So let's go. Yeah. What? How? Okay. We won one, finally. Okay. I'm gonna join in right here. Give 1 minute to rest. Yeah, that's true. Head. Okay. Who's in?
McGrady outside.
Oh. Oh, boy.
Pass to Durant for the tie.
Wait, what are the trees? Hold up. I'm gonna check. 90. 91. 77. Where's Russ at? Oh my god, Russ. Russ, what is happening?
Money on the 3.
It's been this way since
Russ.
halftime. Tremendous
What's
production
happening?
from beyond the arc.
Boy, it's been a three-point barrage. They came out gunning and have not stopped.
Russ.
Davis setting the pick for Dragic. From outside, off the mark.
And he didn't punish them for the weak coverage there, but they can count on him to continue.
Nice.
I love his shot selection today. He set the bar for the rest of the team.
Now, here's Childress. Nash, the pass to the wall. Now, Davis. Nash, left side. Rocket 6. The kick out to Dragic.
Okay.
Good in the
Thank
assist
God.
off to Nash. Nash has got his 5th assist in this one.
By no means a volume shooter. Dragic picks his spots and is very solid from deep.
Irving dishes to McGrady. And the Thunder another
That
three.
jumper is just money.
The real. Come at us, and we're coming right back at you.
A little back and forth from long range. I love it. That's a terrific answer there.
Okay, let it run. Get straight.
Basket good.
I just got straight, man.
Dragic has got 5 points now this quarter.
Yeah, good-looking bounce pass to set up that one.
Oh, my
For
God.
3, and it's Dragic with the rebound. And it's Dragic bringing up the ball for Phoenix.
Bro, move,
Pass to
bro.
Luol. Shakes him. And the layup is good. Luol's got 10 points in the game.
Well, that's the vision you get with Dragic. His teammates have to love playing with him.
McGrady right side.
Oh yeah, teammate,
They're
bro.
getting a lot of their points outside the paint.
You really?
3 of their last 5 baskets are from three-point range.
Oh Lord.
Against McGrady.
Oh Lord.
No good from Dragic. The Thunder with the lead. Irving to the 3. And again, Oklahoma City with the triple.
That's why,
Man, the
man.
triples keep falling, guys. That's 3 in a row.
I think they're playing too soft on the perimeter. They can't stay so soft. They've got to get up into the shooters here.
Now here's Davis. Back to Dragic. Now here's Childress. He's covered by Azubuike. No good from Childress.
That's one he knows he should have drained.
Here's McGrady.
Oh my God.
Style, McGrady punishing the D for giving him that kind of airspace.
Yo. He just massacred.
Now here's Nash. 5 points in the game. Pass to Luol. Outside Dragic to end the run. Thunder with the rebound. McGrady kicks to Irving. And the Thunder another 3.
3-point.
Okay, nice. Good job. Good job. Alright, it's tied now. It is tied, I repeat. Okay. 2-2. Say triple T. Okay. It is going neck and neck right now. Okay, we won. Sim again. Sim again. Sim again. Alright, we're getting blown out. I'm gonna try to do this. I doubt I can. We're for me to physically do this, I have to.
We're in the final quarter of play here. 3 minutes in. And here's Harden for 3.
I say that when
Thomas gets the rebound.
And a big lead for them on both the scoreboard and the backboard.
Yeah, rebounding has been a big key in this one. They've asserted their will and have taken control on the glass.
Here's Westbrook following the score by Phoenix. There as it goes.
And you see how eager Westbrook is to make a splash on offense, attacking over and over again.
And Richardson now atop the key. Misses the layup. And so Harden will bring it up for Oklahoma City. The shot's good from Irving.
What a confidence booster this could be for a rookie. Irving's tearing this defense to shreds.
Pass to Childress. Richardson outside. Richardson missing again.
He had 6 points from long range in the first half, but nothing's falling here since.
Yeah, that was so low.
You know, if you're only looking at the way he's played
Oh, yeah, great on the
offensively,
baby.
you
Oh,
think
ball.
his team would have the lead.
Now here's Nash. Outside time. It's up a 3. It's rebounded by Oklahoma City. Perkins got 9 rebounds in the game. Getting it done. Fires from 14.
Why did I shoot that? Why did I shoot that?
The kick out to Irving.
Got the lead.
That's in coming off the assist from KD.
3.
Irving's got 11 points here in
Something
just
stuck
the
on my chair,
second
bro. I
half.
can't move.
Suns leading by 17. Count that bucket.
And with that basket, he's able to hit a 2-0 lead by the Thunder.
And Westbrook, here we go. Oh, and that's by Westbrook.
And all of a
Right.
sudden,
Crack the
things
bud.
finally coming together for them. The deficit still large, but now not insurmountable.
That kind of deficit, I think they're going about it the right way. They got to get aggressive on defense. They need stops. And then you got to take care of the basketball at the other end so you get a good shot every trip.
Here's what Phoenix has got going on right now. Channing Fries checked in for Luol. Davis comes in for Jason Richardson. And it's Dragic in for Isaiah Thomas. Miller's checked in for the Thunder.
Okay.
Now,
After this game, I'm gonna have to do
6 on the shot clock.
late.
Hey, yo, right here.
Phoenix needs to get off a shot. Childress gets the bucket. And the Suns lead by 20.
He might not have the long range ability of some
My mom
other guys,
is
but
good.
he will knock down like that.
Here's KD for 3. And again,
Alright,
it's
hold up.
Oklahoma City
Let
with
me
a
win
3.
this real quick.
Their three-point percentage has taken a big leap here in this second half.
And their lasers are starting to do their thing. I mean, that's going to be the ticket for them the rest of the way.
Now, here's Nash. Thunder with the rebound. KD's got rebound number 7 for him tonight. A three-pointer
Nice.
right on target.
Okay, we're down by
He's
4.
got 26.
And they're getting their points now almost exclusively from the triple. 4 of their last 6 are from beyond the arc.
It's hard for me to watch this. I mean, the defense practically giving them those shots.
Thunder trailing by 16. And here's Westbrook from the arc. Good. It's Harden with the assist that time. Harden's got his 4th assist in this one. Phoenix has gone 7 of 15 from three-point range tonight. They're not afraid of that shot. The shot's good from there.
Yeah, he just
Nash has got 5 points now this quarter.
Quickness of the release, very impressive from Nash, especially when he gets inside.
There's the triple from Durant.
That's a dozen straight points coming off the triple.
You know, they're having free reign from beyond the
All
arc.
right, buddy.
The defense is just not there.
Forcing the ball inside, and it's working like a charm.
With it, 39 by Nash. Harden the best to Irving. And again, Oklahoma City with the triple.
Alright, down by
How about
11.
the
Come on.
last 5 made shots?
But like I said,
have
I need to
all
make
been
it part
threes.
2 because it's
The
getting late.
defense is just giving up a
We're going to try to get 2
Both
rings.
teams get the message to cover
Right now,
shooters after
it
one or
doesn't
two
work.
wide open looks at the three-point shot. But it seems
Well,
like
they
they
do.
have just
Rest
not figured it out.
And here's Fry from the arc.
What
Russell
is that?
Westbrook with the rebound.
Jumper.
Westbrook's got rebound number 5 here tonight.
Despite his struggles to heat up and get going, Kyrie Lee still remains
Down by 8.
intact.
And perimeter scoring, I have to imagine it was a topic of discussion at halftime.
Certainly. I mean, they
I have to
saw
keep
weakness
checking
in
my mic
perimeter
if
defense
it's
and
muted
took
or not.
advantage of it.
Now
I'm not trying to
here's
record
Dragic.
all this without for the muted mic.
Nash
Alright,
outside.
made this video.
Back to Dragic. Fires the 3. Thunder with the rebound.
And the great shooters know when they've got enough opening to go for a 3. I didn't think it was a...
And again
The
for
Lord
3.
Kyrie.
And he
Alright,
is
number
scorching
5.
hot right now. He could be on his way to setting a franchise postseason record with his shooting.
He's caught fire at the right time for this team. Stepped up big in the postseason for him. Here's Dragic from outside. Rebound by Miller. They're trailing by 5. And here's Westbrook from the arc. Durant.
3 points.
KD's got his 4th assist with that last one here tonight. Phoenix has got some tough luck from three-point range. In the 4th quarter, they've hit just 1 of 6 from deep. And so the timeout called here by Bill Cartwright. Looking for a breather and maybe adjusting a thing or two.
Okay. Down by
The Walls checked in for Davis.
I
Richardson
just
comes
keep
in
making
for
my
Josh
shots, we're
Childress.
going.
And Isaiah Thomas subbed in for Goran
And after
Dragic.
his
And
game,
now the latest from our
win or
reporter
lose,
David
we're
Alder.
regardless.
I was able to listen in on what Bill Cartwright was going over with his team. Now, they preached the little things in the huddle. They asked their team to battle on those 50-50 balls. One extra possession could be all the difference. Back to you, Kevin.
Thank you, David. Thomas. Puts up the three. Durant with the rebound.
No doubt it's been a bit of a struggle for him here in this quarter in terms of scoring.
And
Good
good
stop.
time.
I don't know why he didn't go to the corner. Shot a midi instead, but hey.
Enzo Thomas will bring it up for Phoenix. High in the post. He's against Miller. High in the post. Covered by Miller. Over the glass.
Clutch play there. No reason to miss the jumper when you keep it to the rack.
Yeah, you want to get those things down the stretch. Goes to the bucket. He is a sure thing.
The Suns trailing.
Good.
Now Thomas.
My lord.
And that's right in his wheelhouse. Looking to make an impact when it counts.
You know, they want the ball in his hands here because they trust him to hit all the big shots.
And
Oh,
it doesn't go.
okay. I missed that.
The Suns shooting has been fun to watch in this game. They're at 57%.
I need to just keep doing catch and shoot. I'll be.
1:39 of the fourth. Durant with the rebound.
Well, he's got a great stroke. That one almost dropped.
Westbrook fired. And there's the three.
He's got that clutch gene. It's
Oh,
in
about
his
to.
DNA for sure.
Westbrook's gone 3 of 3 from the arc. 9 points on that long-range shot of his. Thomas fires. No good from
But I
three.
keep trying to shoot threes, but it's not getting
Oklahoma
it.
City shooting has been terrific. 54% of the game.
Why is James open, bro? You know who James is?
There. I mean, he doesn't feel the pressure. He embraces this stuff. It's right in his wheelhouse. Make somebody else shoot it.
And so the timeout called here by Bill Cartwright. He's going to take this chance to talk to his guy. Tracy McGrady's checked in for the Thunder.
Number 6, Tracy McGrady.
Bro, James running around like.
Fires the three. Durant with the rebound.
That's what you want defensively. Force contested threes.
So they foul intentionally.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Kevin Durant.
Oh my lord, only one.
Rebounded by the Thunder. And the shot goes in.
Russ got a rebound.
Relentless in their approach, even with the game firmly in hand.
And, you know, until that final buzzer sounds, I mean, you've got to treat every possession like it's crucial. Hey, yo, right here, baby.
A three-pointer.
Relishes his role in this offense, and he's a natural leader, too.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah, you can't let him hold the
Personal
ball.
foul.
Almost last
Fourth
second
team
away.
foul.
He got a foul.
Bruh.
The line for the
Come
Thunder.
down the free throws
Kevin
here.
Durant.
Foul right away.
Taking 2 shots.
Why is he
So
like?
he gets
Why is
them
he
both.
doing
And
it like
it's a
that, bro?
6-point ball game.
And he has
Timeout. Timeout.
with some very solid free throws.
And the Suns call
Bro, I
time
hear the
here.
whole like conversation.
There's 21 seconds left in the fourth quarter. What do you think we're going to see coming out of this timeout?
A sliver of hope.
Yeah, but they've got to score and then foul immediately.
Thomas fires. Misses the three. And that's an intentional foul.
Have the foul, but I'm sure
Personal foul. Team foul.
They didn't really have another option. I mean, I thought they did a nice job getting it in his hands and making sure
Okay.
he was the guy.
Yeah.
who
We won. Nice. Okay. Like I said, it's getting late. So I'm gonna have to get off, go to bed, because my mom just yelled at me. But we beat the Suns in 6. Now we're gonna go against the Spurs in my next video. And I'll try to get this next video, part 2, out soon. But for right now, I'm getting off. Good night.